If you're looking into GAVM, FilePower AI, this is the AI software review you need to watch. Because I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you should know before using this brand new tool. Some of them could save you hours or even money. And yes, this might just be one of the best just released AI tools for file management and automation. You can try FilePower AI completely free. From the first link in the description, no credit card needed. But before you dive in, wait until I show you what surprised me the most about how it works behind the scenes. So here's what makes FilePower AI actually different. First, it's not just a document reader or summarizer, it's a full AI-powered file system. You can upload your PDFs, docs, PowerPoints, even Excel sheets, and it instantly lets you chat with your files. But what impressed me is how it pulls context across multiple files at once, which most AI tools still struggle with. You could upload an entire client folder or business report archive and ask real questions like, what changed in Q2 versus Q1? And it gives you clean, natural answers. Second, it supports bulk uploads and auto-labeling, which sounds simple until you're working with hundreds of files. FilePower AI automatically categorizes your content based on context, not just file names, which makes it far better than using something like ChatGPT with manual uploads. Third, it handles ASU's Excel formulas and tables surprisingly well. I tested some financial sheets with formulas, and it actually interpreted and explained the logic without breaking layout or skipping columns. If you deal with any kind of data-heavy reports, that's a game changer. Fourth, it has whole team collaboration built in. You can share chats, insights, and summaries with others without them needing an account. This makes it perfect if you're in a marketing or ops role and constantly pulling info from large files to brief teammates or clients. Fifth, the Sarkwal search function isn't just keyword-based. You can ask abstract or strategic questions, and the AI connects dots between files. I asked, which campaign had the lowest ROI and why? And it pulled metrics, timelines, and summaries from different documents to give a full answer. Sixth, FilePower AI is secure and GDPR compliant, which matters if you're handling sensitive data. Everything is encrypted and you can delete data instantly from your dashboard. And finally, and this is a big one, you don't need any tech background to use it. The interface is clean, built for regular users, and the onboarding takes 60 seconds. This is clearly made for marketers, consultants, and business owners, not just developers. So if you've been overwhelmed with digital files and want a reliable AI assistant that actually helps you understand and organize your documents, FilePower AI is one of the most impressive AI tools I've seen released recently. Again, you can try it free using the first link in the description. And if you like tools like this, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares that you can also try for free after testing over 1,000 of them. See you in the next one.